Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating text. Step 1. Access ChatGPT. To access ChatGPT, simply go to the OpenAI website and click on the ChatGPT button. This will take you to a page where you can start interacting with the language model. Step 2. Ask your question or enter your text. Once you are on the ChatGPT page, you can ask a question or enter a piece of text that you want to generate more content on. Simply type your query or text in the chat box provided. Step 3. Wait for ChatGPT to respond. After you've entered your question or text, ChatGPT will start processing your input and generating a response. This may take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of your input. Step 4. Review and refine your response. Once ChatGPT has generated a response, it will be displayed in the chat box. Take a moment to review the response and refine it if necessary. You can do this by typing in more information or editing the existing response. Step 5. Save or share your response. If you're happy with the response generated by ChatGPT, you can save or share it as needed. Simply copy and paste the text into your document or social media post, or download it as a file. Conclusion. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating text. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can quickly and accurately generate responses to your queries. So go ahead and give ChatGPT a try, and see how it can help you in your work or personal life.